Hello everybody, today we're going to be flying, we're going to fly Allegiant Airlines today to Omaha, register N3333NV, and here we head to gate, and here is our plane right here. Beautiful aircraft will be on the right side of the plane. And here we go, boarding,
Clear to your right,
and we have all the
CCNF
stuff
are
they
to your
have on
left.
board
Allegiant
for
operates
the
under an
economy
automated weight
class.
imbalance system, so we do ask for all passengers to sit into the seats that are assigned to themselves on their boarding passes. We're expecting a relatively full flight up this morning, so to accommodate for all passengers, we do kindly ask for a binder. If you could please just kindly place any small bags, backpacks, or purses underneath the seats in front of you, just so again we could accommodate for any larger bags up in the overhead bins. Thank you for your attention and welcome aboard. Fasten your seatbelt, place a flat metal fitting into the buckle and pull on the strap to tighten. To release, lift the upper portion of the buckle. When the seatbelt sign is on, and whenever you are seated, fasten the seatbelt low and tight across your hips. Our cabin is pressurized for your comfort and safety. If this should change, oxygen mask will drop from the panel above your seat. Pull down on the mask to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, securing it behind the head with the elastic strap. Pull on the loose ends of the strap to tighten. Breathe normally. Even though oxygen is flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. If you're traveling with a small child or someone who requires assistance, secure your own mask first before assisting others. Life vests for adults and children are located under your seats. If required, remove the life vest from its container and tear open the package. Remove the life vest from the pouch. Place the life vest over your head with the panels at the front. Secure the strap around your waist and fasten it in the front. Ensure the strap is secured tightly by pulling on the loose end. As you exit the aircraft, inflate your vest by pulling down on the red inflation tab or blowing into the red tube. All life vests have a water-activated locator light. Flight attendants will distribute life vests for infants as needed. Allegiant is a non-smoking airline. Located throughout the cabin are no smoking and fasten seatbelt signs. Smoking, vaping, and the use of all tobacco products are prohibited at all times. Federal regulations require passengers to observe these signs and comply with crew member instructions. It is a federal offense to tamper with, disable, or destroy a lavatory smoke detector. Please securely fasten your seatbelt, stow your tray table, and all carry-on bags as we now prepare for takeoff. If there is anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please do not hesitate to ask. We invite you all to sit back, relax, and enjoy the 2-hour and 15-minute flight to Omaha. Thank you once again for choosing Allegiant.
Also, we are flying out of the West Tom Bradley gates at LAX, and we'll be taking off on the south side today. And here goes our flaps coming up right here. In this clip right here, we got the flaps coming down and our taxi and departure. Alright, here we go. Off to Omaha. Today we'll be taking off on the south side and we'll be making a left turn. And we're going to be going over Palm Springs. So, yeah. And then flight down over Prescott, Arizona. And then Flagstaff all the way to over Denver. And then to Omaha. shows our flaps coming up to increase altitude. Stuff they sell on board, and this is what I got. I got like a lemonade, like cheese, salami, and bread and crackers, which was really good. And the drink was absolutely delicious because I'm a big beer fan. And so here we go, going over Denver.
Fasten your seatbelt, so your tray tables, and any carry-on bags underneath the seats in front of you or back into the seat.
That's what I was special.
As we now prepare the cabin for landing, we ask that you ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened with tray tables and all carry-on bags stowed. Flight attendants will be passing through the cabin just one last time to pick up any trash that you may have, because again, we will be landing into Omaha any minute now. Thank you. It is our pleasure to welcome you to Omaha. The local time is 1:52 p.m. For your continued safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and ensure all carry-on items remain securely stowed and out of the aisle. Once the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign, it will be safe to move out the cabin and gather your belongings. Please use caution when opening overhead bins as items tend to shift during flight. Please also refrain from smoking or vaping until inside the terminal and only in designated areas. You may not use mobile phones and other handheld electronic devices. If you're claiming luggage in Omaha, please follow the signs to baggage claim. If you have a connection with another carrier, you must go to baggage claim first to claim your bags. Our uniformed representatives will be happy to assist you regarding ground transportation or baggage claims. Once we arrive at the gate, or as of right now, if you could please assist us in our efforts to keep this aircraft as cool as possible for the next flight back to Los Angeles by lowering the window shades and opening the air vents in the compartment above your seats. We would greatly appreciate that. And again, lastly, on behalf of your entire Los Angeles crew, we'd like to thank you all for flying with us today. It's been our pleasure serving you, and we hope to see one another Allegiant flight soon. Again, we do apologize for any delay made, but we are glad that we got you all here safely and efficiently. Everyone have yourself a great afternoon. Everyone please remain with your seatbelt securely fastened.